How was my
You got
landing?
marked either way.
Alright, here goes
I am the tail dragging P-63.
Yes, if I get up there, please stop it.
The helicopter.
I know you can't rush perfection, but the F3Fs have been doing pre-flight checks for like the past 10 minutes.
Haha, you can't shoot me!
Have they
What are you
really
guys
been doing
doing?
pre-flight checks?
I don't know, but they usually, like,
Oh, I just broke.
back when we were all one squad, we would do pre-flight checks that would last like 10 minutes, so...
Why?
I don't know.
For the fuck of it, why not?
I guess, sure. I went along with it.
I like it, but...
Now with us, it's just ailerons, elevators, rudder, flaps, air brakes, and then that's it.
Fuck out of
I don't check my oil and, like, make sure I have snacks or anything.
Alright, here they go.
I hear the buzzing of the desk fans.
This is literally perfect.
Big guns.
I am very heavy.
Are you now?
Yes.
Jesus, those 262s all rolling down the taxiway one by one is intimidating.
Sanders and the Lynx.
Oh no, please tell me they're not. Okay, they are.
Oh, EU biplanes.
Not only that, but biplanes doing solos. Ew, nasty.
EU. Oh, I just did
Disgusting.
Disco.
Oh,
Mags. Mags.
Max,
What?
get down.
Mel has been watching the stream the whole time and she watched you crash.
That's fantastic.
Good.
Oh, that's amazing. She quoted it on one of her servers. Oh, Jesus
Break
Christ.
their prop from going
Oh, so close.
Hold on, I'm going to read what Doom Turtle said. The first operational B-29 was delivered in July 1943. It was, as stated by... I had a stroke, I'm sorry. I didn't know if I was going to read that wrong. I don't know if it's just 2912N or whatever.
Okay.
G91 first confirmed kill in an F3F? PP. God, I see so many Schwalbes, bro.
Schwalbe.
Schwalbe, Schwalbe, Schwalbe.
No.
12.
No. Fuck off.
Yeah,
Schwalbe.
it might be that.
Schwalbe, more like Mustang food.
Oh.
Swallows the P-51s.
What?
No,
Do you think if more 262s were made, they actually would have, like, been pretty even with P-51 deaths?
Yeah.
Well, you have to brown the fuel.
Wait, who's up? Invite me. I want to see this shit.
When did you get here?
Hey, Brad.
Let me in.
Yeah, I'll give you an invite. Just get off the runway as quick as possible.
Crap, how did you get in there?
I don't know how he got in here.
A mystical being. All right, let me in.
You're not online.
Wow. The
What are you guys
F3F
doing?
are back.
What are you guys
Wait,
doing?
the
Yeah,
F3Fs are
invited you,
back
Tommy.
already?
Yeah, they're flying.
Oh, I
One
see
of
them.
Can't keep.
They're back in town.
Max, turn off your...
Dude, I literally called Oscar
Slowing
twice,
down.
and he didn't even notice it.
Why
Because
is,
I was
why is
AFK.
Mr. Bear so far?
AFK, I was watching your fucking live stream. You checked the messages.
Tommy, so some rules, do not bring any tanks.
Yeah, don't bring tanks because they've already had to murk like 5 of them.
They didn't mark them. We were being fire trucks. It worked.
Look
And
at the
then-
links.
Wait. What's a merc? I don't know what mercs mean.
Stomped.
America.
Delete.
Oh. What about
Stomped,
Nazis?
killed, decapitated, murdered.
Fucked.
What
that
about
too.
Nazis? No
Yes.
Nazis? Damn.
The Nazis got
Can I
murked.
Damn it. Can I bring a
Fuck,
German
dude.
plane then?
I have
Oh, you can bring a
everything
German plane.
on me.
Oh, thank God. Thanks.
Sandra, please get off the link.
Today on Bottom Gear. Today on Bottom Gear, James commits arson. Bro.
Wait a minute, I have
Today's on
that
bottom
meme.
gear. There's some bottom gear.
Insufit, why are you armed to the teeth with your P-47?
Because
Because reasons.
My guy has depleted uranium.
Why will
rounds
my
in his
helicopter
guns.
not stop?
Oh, no. Yeah, it takes a bit for helicopters to turn off.
No, I mean like it's been stuck at this RPM.
How much does one round with depleted uranium cost?
I have no clue.
7. It costs 7.
$7.
Just
£7, 7 yen, $7, 7 Hawaiian pots
Ayo.
of dirt.
Go to media and read
Pots
Where?
of dirt.
bottom here.
You said median.
Bring in the dirt.
Like on bottom gear. That's amazing.
4.3 million per unit for uranium round.
Tonight on bottom gear, James orders a total nuclear annihilation in the state of Bulgaria.
Perfect.
I have a second part.
Where do I spawn so we do not interrupt with anything?
Just spawn on the runway, but get off of it as quick as you can. And then just come park by us. Why do I hear a lot of gunfire? Oh wait,
It's
that's
flares.
flares. Jesus. Flares are loud in this game.
Yeah, they're stupid. loud.
Yes.
Is it bad that I haven't been watching the F3F display at all?
No, it's not.
Neither have I.
What just happened?
Oh, Tommy, so if you do spawn in a bomber, disable gunners.
Are they like sewing
Disable
with their
gunners.
smokes?
Yeah, disable
Or
gunners if you're in a bomber.
How'd the Blue Angels act
the Blue
go?
Angels didn't happen. It's
Oh.
not happening.
Who died?
They didn't have enough
Wait,
people.
what?
They're shooting. I see.
Guys.
Who's shooting?
Who's shooting?
Disable gunners.
Watch this, boys.
Sorry,
Watch this.
gunners. Unless gunners have tank guns, I mean.
Do not fly close to me. My gunners are not dead.
That's what I call a quick stop, boys.
Oh my God,
Oh,
Mags, you're
no,
dead.
no.
You're dead. You're dead. What?
I'm alive.
Shit.
Uh-oh.
what?
Uh-oh.
See?
This Thunderbird is going so fast. Jesus Christ.
Put it down before you reach the runway.
Damn
Okay, there.
B. There we
Chilling.
go. Alright,
Chilling,
gunners
bro.
are dead.
I'm just
Good.
chilling, bro.
I'm just chilling, man.
Listen,
chilling,
there's
man.
no tail. Just chilling.
I don't know what to do.
Oh, God. They flew over
I'm
us.
just gonna go bomb the city because I have nothing to do.
What is going
Is
on?
it too late to call crowd violation?
Ah!
Yeah, Tommy,
Bomb the city.
drop your bombs and then just land.
Oh, Panda and Bear.
Drop
Okay.
the bombs.
What the hell?
Kill the people. Kill all of them.
Oh my God, shark. Shark's insane.
I want to do that. What do you?
Oh no!
Bomb,
What
the
do you
bombs
do?
reload. Dang
Oh
it.
yeah, they do. Yeah, so you might as
Oh,
well
Welcome
just
to the
land,
party,
Tommy.
crab.
I'm just gonna drop all of them and leave one bomb.
We have beverages?
Do you have any Coke, please?
Damn it.
Yeah,
No,
hold
they
on,
still
let me
reload. It
open
doesn't
up
matter
one
what
for
you
you.
do.
Hold on.
6, 7. There we go.
There.
I got one bomb.
Thank you.
One.
I was actually gonna open the can, and then he said that.
Oh, that hurt. Can my RPMs come up, please, Huey?
No.
Tonight on bottom gear.
No.
Tonight on semi-middle gear. Yes.
There's no. It's like no one paying attention to like the F3S. Just
I'm half
Absolutely
paying
not.
attention.
Listen, they were sitting at the beginning of the runway for like 10 minutes, so we all got bored and started talking crap. It's not that funny.
That's like.
What is it? Why is there an G177?
Tommy, get away from the airfield.
Hold on,
or else
join
you'll get-
him.
Can I
Okay.
kill it?
No, don't kill
Oh
Tommy.
god.
Are they landing in formation? That's kind of cool.
Oh my god.
Oh.
I almost
Why?
got shot.
Oh god, someone's coming in fast.
Oh,
Max?
What?
Don't look at the media channel.
Hi.
Hello.
Tommy, try to spawn on.
Drop off the
airfield.
troops and get out of here.
Spawn off the airfield
No,
or in
try
the
to
airfield?
spawn on the airfield, but like taxi over
Oh my
as fast as you can.
Okay, that's impressive.
I
Look
don't
at
know
Gamer
what
Nuggets.
What are they doing?
Excuse me.
We're written air spawn, blah blah.
They're flying slow as hell.
Go to slow.
There
My
should
mind-
be an airfield
What the-
spawn.
Oh,
My mind.
Airfield.
Hey, Oz, you're looking medium memes.
Ah!
medium
Ah! ah
Hey, you wanna bet?
magnesium.
What?
You're shooting.
It's pewing.
No pew
Hey.
pews.
Yell. It's just pew pew.
No pew pews.
Max.
Alright, hopefully. Yeah, I did it.
Yay. Now just taxi
Oh, no,
over.
do you want pew
Over
pew?
there.
Shark's
I did
dead.
it.
No.
wait,
Mac.
what?
Shark died.
This is unacceptable.
This is unacceptable.
I'm calling the police, dude. Wait,
Oh,
where did
God.
he die?
I don't know. I just saw it in the bottom right.
Can I get an 07 in chat for Shark? Please?
F.
Max, I swear to God, I'm going to shoot you. Nice.
Alright, I'm gonna reverse real quick. Hold on, guys.
My left headphone keeps like rumbling.
That's tasty.
I don't know if that was directed for what I said or something else, but I'm still scared. Dude, look, Hitler's sending up the last of the Luftwaffe at the end of the runway.
Where? Oh, I want to join. Wait.
No, no, you didn't bring your lineup. It's too late.
Hitler. I would like to join.
Wait, Crab, we gotta go. Crab, we gotta go. We gotta go. Come on.
Hitler, I swear.
No, crap.
No, Crab, no. Stop. I was like, Crab, I
Crab, he was
will.
joking.
Oh, what? Crowd
Crowd violation, crowd violation, crowd violation.
Crowd violation. 2 crowd
They're
violations.
vaping over us.
Hey, Willio.
I don't
Why are they-
smoke cigarettes.
Wait, look what I figured out to do. Hold on. There we go.
I don't smoke cigarettes.
Cigarettes.
There we go. I'm flying backwards.
Rip Gamer and Bear.
Roll it this way.
Life is like a
Gamer
box
and Bear
of
are dead.
chocolates.
Wait, did Gamer and Bear crash into each other?
Yeah,
I think
they
so.
did.
So, do y'all eat your burritos sideways or top down?
I don't know what you said, but I feel like it was a bad question.
So I was
Sideways or top down for burritos?
and
For-
top top down.
Oh
It
god.
really depends. What kind of burrito?
Y'all
Bean.
eat your cereal?
No, don't.
I didn't shoot him.
So a bean burrito.
Down.
I'd say either way. Just try not to make a mess.
Do you eat
Ethan.
your cereal microwaved or not?
I just opened your burrito. Ate the inside and then eat
Again, that
the...
really depends, like what cereal and what kind of milk.
I could have smashed Max with 50.
Crab, that was so close.
Yeah, you kind of
God,
almost chopped him in
William, what are
half.
you doing to me,
Is he
William?
floating or is he doing a low pass?
He,
Oh, yeah.
You can't float in realistic with it.
William.
Yeah, just follow me. Or you can park
Wait.
there, it's fine.
Maybe
Those
trying to make-
Thunderbirds look cool.
Dude, it's the last of the German forces going to stop the B-17s from raiding.
Oh my god. They're gonna kill like 3 and say, good job, men, we're going home.
What's going on?
Crab, can you... I'll pull you out your cockpit. Grab my skid.
No, I don't want your skid.
Grab my skid.
Ew.
No.
Ew. Ew.
Shark came back. Grab my skid. Grab my skid. Please. What?
Yucky.
Yucky.
Crab, there is a minigun aimed at like your forehead right now. Are you
Yeah,
sure?
I can see it rotating through that little window you have on the side of it. Yeah, that's the noise it's making right now.
I don't want your skid. Stay away from me.
What?
Wait, is there one on the front?
Oh my god! You almost murdered
Oh,
Ceasefire.
what happened to a meteor? What happened?
What happened?
He landed to nuggets.
No,
They gotta-
Your casings are falling on me.
You want more?
No. Oh my god, Nuggets is gonna die.
Oh god.
Oh, wait. Let me get my H1.
Nuggets just plowed through all the 262s.
It's their act, so they're helping
so-
their act, so.
Tommy, you should avoid shooting off, or else you're gonna
Oh,
be
God.
reloaded and sent back to the end of the airfield.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistake. Got no way to run.
And life goes on.
I just had to get your.
I need propane.
Yeah, I don't know. I heard his voice and I was like, "Where did you come from?"
I just chameleoned my way into this call.
Jesus
I got
Christ!
propane and propane accessories.
What?
Hello,
Propane and propane accessories.
Hey, Crab.
Xander flying over a fire doesn't put it out.
God damn it, Bobby.
God damn it.
God dang it, Bobby.
Crab, I
Clouds?
heard you needed more bombs.
Don't, no.
Clouds? No. Jesus, Nuggets, where's he go? He's going.
I don't know. He's
Propel myself
zooming.
backwards.
Oh, there he goes.
That's not how you swing back.
Oh god.
What is happening?
Jesus, that
I'm
line
propelling
of
myself
No
backwards.
idea.
Astro's just tired of it. He's like, you know what? Fuck this. I'm going to the front.
I'm using my helicopter's reverse gear.
Deja vu.
Oh, is
All
Gamer,
of the Thunderbirds
wait,
are
is
coming.
Gamer Nuggets in that display over
Panda,
there?
why?
The 262 display?
Oh my god, I am.
What if they were trying to get a video of them taxiing?
There goes Panda.
Dead.
Go for your wing, man. Your wing is so close.
Wait, is Nuggets and Gamma in the 262?
I'm gonna get like no footage from the taxiing because everyone's taking off on the taxiway.
Ooh.
Also, I believe like half of the live stream has been me AFK, and it's been me looking away from the air show. So
Yeah, it has.
and I've got okay. Max is doing a cobra in a cobra.
Looks like the 262s are getting ready.
No, keep that away from me. You're
Vulcan
gonna poke
noises.
someone's eye out with that.
Vulcan noises.
Oh my god.
Oh my
I'm
god.
sorry. Did you ask for Bert?
I feel like my pilot, my Rio, just sitting here like, dude.
Crab, you've touched me like 50 times. Please go away.
Oh my god. I'm inside of the B-29.
Max, are you using the
co-pilot.
120 millimeter?
What?
Yes, you are. I was like, are you using the singular 20?
I'm actually interested to see this
Because
262
it
thing
didn't have
happen.
enough. It didn't have enough
Yeah.
room to fit the.
Would have been better if the fires were in there, but you know,
Bert.
tanky boys.
Wait, hold on. We're moving fire.
Where's Nuggets going?
Oh, and my turret's damaged. I can't. All right, moving fire via guns.
Panda?
Huh?
Nuggets going to space in a 262.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
he's
I
coming
think
back down. He's in orbit.
I think he's doing the thing with the swabble.
Oh,
They're all on the ground.
I
it just looks like very
I
fun.
honestly don't know. Like, Rogue can do whatever he wants.
You like scrambled for an answer. You're like,
I don't know. Like,
This is just in his time.
I don't know.
Panda's just chilling over there, sitting on his gun pod.
Rich.
Okay.
Oh my god, he's gonna destroy his gear.
Y'all want to see a magic trick? I'm gonna disappear like a black dad. Ready?
I grabbed
Why do we fuck?
Oh, shark!
That was actually a pretty nice landing, Nuggets.
What happened?
What?
I don't know.
everything.
What happened?
Everything happened.
Holy,
No,
all
that
the
was on
fires!
the mags.
I gotta extinguish the fires.
Jesus.
How many people?
No, don't get in a tank.
What?
I'm not in a tank. I'm in a helicopter. I'm extinguishing fires.
So much paper.
No, the taxi. Please don't do that. I just watched the 262 do a drift.
Clear comms. Gamer, can you just meet up with Nuggets
Wait,
in the
what
air?
are
We
we-
gotta start.
Yeah, we'll try.
All right,
Crab,
We can go like
get
one
over here,
over.
boy.
Crab, you're going a little low.
I-
Try to stay away from the runway.
No, it's not.
What are we doing here? I
And
forgot.
I'm watching
Oh, we're
you.
just watching the
Right now, the 262 act is about to start.
Oh,
Nice, Crab. Jesus.
what about the boomers?
A boomers?
Where's Crab?
Trying to
Flying
come back
away.
in to land.
So once you're at 0.30, fucking break.
I am breaking.
But where is Crab? I'm confused.
B-29,
They
you got
flew
some
away.
chicken nuggets? I want
Make
some.
sure your smoke is set center pink.
What is that?
Okay.
Pink freaking smoke.
All right, 262s, throttles 20%.
Nugs, hold the.
Oh my god.
What is it? Smoke?
Oh my god.
Yeah, your smoke.
Tell me the second you're ready to go.
Alright.
Alright, stand by.
Oh!
Okay, wow.
Hitler's
Holding
disappointed.
brake. Holding brake 60. Holding brake 60.
Solos, are you set?
Stand by. Give us 2 seconds.
All right.
3.
Wow, my
2.
brakes. I don't know why my brakes
Hold
are
up.
Okay,
working.
fine. Just
Tell
go.
me,
Just
and
go.
I'll-
Just go.
Just go.
We're going.
You should probably be in the display for things.
262s, wait until I give you the mark.
That's a little too late for that.
Bye, gamer.
262s,
Go 0.
throttle 100%. Now.
It's a little late for
Next, we'll do the crash brake after takeoff. You lead.
And all I see when you shoot the fucking 40mm is just a white stream.
My brakes literally aren't working.
Alright, just go 100. Just go 100.
Wait, you're shooting towards them. I don't think you should.
Is it enough to look what we're trying to shoot?
Yeah.
262s, as soon as you lift off, pull up gear and turn on smoke. Leave your flaps where they are.
262s, squadron 262s.
I think there was one.
Okay, I couldn't hear it.
Let's do flyover.
Pink smoky boy going to space.
262s, combat flaps.
Nugs, listen.
Who just shot me and why?
Nugs, go and display.
262s, no flaps, pull left.
Oscar, this is how you hover nose down.
Are you gonna land, Crab, or?
I'm following you wherever you.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go actually.
You're flying in slow motion.
Erica. Oh my, the 262
Amber's
is
falling.
definitely.
And that's why you don't dive bomb in a 262.
Put dive bombs, man.
The rest of the 262s,
Clear
though,
comms, clear
Jesus.
comms. Warhawk, wings, red smoke.
You guys move to a different channel for us to comms. You're in general.
Yeah, I know. We need the music.
Music.
My weapon is crashing.
Oh, Tommy, just unmute rhythm and listen.
Very nice 262s.
Rhythm is dead. I can't hear him. Rest in peace.
262s, 2.5 degrees of climb.
Erica.
Everybody direct your attention to I'm going Mach 0.85. What is this?
Holy crap, you are going really fast.
You're hauling ass. Man, he's going into the sun.
Oh, wait for it.
I'm waiting for a star thing or shining.
Yeah. Like, we're blasting off again.
Everybody look up.
Yep.
There's just a group of 262s out over the ocean.
Warhawk, red smoke or no smoke?
Landing.
Just dying.
Thank you.
Sorry, I'm Venezuela.
Everybody look up.
I can't see him at this
262s will
point.
be turning left in 45 seconds.
Do, do, do.
30 seconds.
Bombs. Look out. I'm landing with y'all. Just line up better. You're not in the good approach. Bugging me.
262s, 15 seconds to turn.
I do, because I'm landing.
Wait, what? Why are there F4s flying around? I'm confused.
We're landing.
Hey, William.
Yeah.
Following up the
Willie.
Repeat.
Willie.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna go get a jet, alright?
262s, we're
All
turning left to 350.
Alright.
Geo just disappeared.
Hey,
10 degree dive.
hey, Crab, you know the speed that these gears come out at?
About 270, you're good.
Yeah, we're going really slow.
262s, 80% throttle.
Alright, I'm lined up with y'all. Hi. On your left.
Hey, 262s are coming back, so you guys might want to move.
And line up
God,
for the
that line
runway.
of 262s is scary.
Yeah.
And down on the deck.
It's about to be butter.
If they had waited a bit to assault Y-29, they could have used 262s.
And 0.
Oh, I'm not
Ouch!
I did use 262s for
Alright,
They
262s.
use 109s
I'm
and
going back up to
FW190s for
95.
the assault on line 29.
Damn it!
I'm gonna go now. Crap, why'd you go burner?
Because I'm here by accident, I'm just gonna land.
Let me go burner with a
This isn't-
parachute. Ah, yes.
This isn't carrier operable.
What do you think? This is an F-18? I'm just gonna hit the burner as soon as I grab the fucking.
Yeah.
And 262s will be going directly over the spectators.
If I can cut my shoe, if I can cut this. Do you want to work?
Didn't need to hear that.
Oh, there they
What
are.
is this?
I really didn't need to hear one of those memes.
This is coming from.
They're coming from the east.
Get off the runway. We're about to be strafed.
15%.
The remainder
Bunch
of
of
the Wehrmacht is coming.
Vietnam jets are about to get strafed by the Wehrmacht or the Luftwaffe.
262s over the taxiway.
Why?
There's just a cloud of red.
Yeah, that is
I just see a bunch of red.
horrifying.
The red sun? Question mark.
Oh, Americane, we are coming.
Gamer.
Oh my.
Coming to you.
Hello, my brother! I see you!
Oh, that was cool.
Hello!
30 degrees up now.
It's like watching a NASCAR race.
17 Gs.
It's like watching a NASCAR race. One of them crashed in the background and they all came zooming by.
Good job, man.
Rolling and falling.
No.
That was more than 30 degrees, Extravor. 260s are going the opposite direction and banking left.
God, that is cool, dude. There's a Horton here. Oh,
Yes.
there's an
Hello.
Interceptor 262.
Oh no.
I am the plane that I was built, but I
have
was
my
a
E-fan.
failure.
I'm just sitting here waiting with this thing.
Oh,
Right to 155.
Yes.
It's Jesus Christ.
I don't spade it because I'm lazy.
very nice.
NASCAR race.
I do have a players on it though already.
NASCAR, except it's the last of the
262s
Luftwaffe.
pulling left and turning.
No, answer that. Do they need to refill their landing gear tires? What the? What was that?
Tinnitus. Tinnitus.
That's not. It's tinnitus.
Tinnitus.
That's not how it works either. It's when it's quiet.
262s loop in
No,
3,
like, I hear it
2,
in my ears.
1, mark.
Still going.
Oh. It's the Germans.
They're coming.
Chad, prepare to watch this talk.
Do a flip!
One singular P-51 comes in.
262s rolling left and
It's Mickey Oscar.
Oh, there it is. Where?
Do 4 flips,
there.
man, and I'll give you 100
It's been no, don't ruin the route.
Should all just get in P-51s.
Oh no.
Interceptor flight.
262s vertical 3, 2, 1 now.
And I'm deaf.
Deaf, I can't hear anything. Muta! Muta, help me!
I'm gonna park next to you.
God, I'm gonna get some screenshots of that later.
One of them actually looked like they were gonna crash.
Who's shooting and why?
Fuck.
Man.
Oh, it's Mags.
Who
He's
else?
an AA battery now. The smoke's on, they all just dispersed.
Hey, Mag.
Or the smoke's off, sorry.
Alright, T-Birds, you're up. 262s, you can land, do whatever you need. I'm gonna go do my spinny spins into the ground.
Spinny spins into the ground.
Nice job, 262s.
It's a Schwalbe aerobatics tradition.
I think we call that crashing.
No, it's called